Okay, so we're going to do another problem here. And this is also due tomorrow night, and this has caused some people some trouble. This is another Chem 1 topic, but we need it for Chem 2, so I'm glad it's here. We're going to be doing calculating a molar heat of reaction from formation enthalpies, and we need formation enthalpies, and we need them. Can you read this question here? You can't see what I'm pointing at, but you see the ALEKS data tab? You'll find these under the ALEKS data tab, and the ALEKS data tab is over here, right? Watch, you see what I'm pressing there, that blue button? Okay, so we're going to go look for formation enthalpies. And formation enthalpies is going to be in the thermodynamic properties. And that's the one right there at the bottom of the screen. You see it? Thermodynamic properties? I'm going to click on that. And I'll go in there and get those when I need them. All right, so let's go over to the whiteboard real quickly. I've screenshot this and put it over in the whiteboard. And we'll set it up first. And then we'll go look for those data. All right, so let's go here. And again, this looks like the same problem, but it's just a whiteboard. And let's get our marker out. Okay, so use the standard formation enthalpies under the ALEKS data tab to calculate the net enthalpy of this reaction under standard conditions. Okay, so what we're going to do for that is we're essentially going to lay out an equation that looks like this. Delta H, that's the reaction, probably something like that. And if it's a standard reaction, we might do that. Is equal to, and it's going to be the sum of all the products minus the sum of all the reactants, okay? Products, reactants. All right, so, oops, I don't want that. Let's go here, move the screen up a little bit. Okay, and so it's going to be all the products minus all the reactants. And so what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to say my products are CO2 and water, right? And my reactants are methanol and oxygen. Okay, and I'm going to put the numbers in there too. The CO2, there's 2 of those. And the waters, there's 4 of those, right? Can you read my writing? That's a 4. Kind of an ugly 4, but no complaining. No complaining. Okay. And methanol, right? There's 2 methanols and 3 oxygens. Some of you may remember that oxygen actually has a 0 for formation enthalpies, but suppose you don't remember that. We're just going to go look in the data tab. And then again, the data tab is in that little button that looks like that. So let's go over there. We're going to flick back and forth here between these. I'm first of all going to look for CO2 and water. And let's go here, ALEKS data tab, thermodynamic properties. I don't want that. Nope, that's solubilities, thermodynamic properties. Okay. Well, let's get rid of this and let's find CO2 and water. CO2, that's calcium. I think I'm getting close to CO2. There it is. Okay. It's gaseous or aqueous. Okay, I can actually see the equation right there. It looks like it's gaseous. Okay, and so the gaseous one is here at the bottom of the screen. Can you see it? Minus 393.5. I'm going to write it real quickly here. Minus 393.5. No, I don't want that. Let's go over here. And let's say it's minus 393.5, right? A little ugly there. And water is going to be down a little further. I'm not even going to tell you how to look on here. You'll figure it out. It's sort of alphabetic, but not really. A water. Okay, it looks like there's 2 waters, liquid and gas. Which one is this? This is liquid. Can you see it? Okay, and the liquid's minus 285.8, minus 285.8. If I get this wrong, it's going to be by mistranscribing something. Every time I get this one wrong, it's because I put these in the wrong place. Minus 285.8, and let's do methanol real quickly here. I think methanol was back up with the carbons. Yep. Okay, and it's CH3OH. CH3O. It looks like there's 2 of those. Gaseous. Okay. but it's liquid. You see that? So it's going to be that one there, minus 239.2. Minus 239, minus 239.2. Not sure why this moves over. Okay, and 0. I'm not going to tell you why that's 0. Let's just suppose it is. Now I'm going to put this in my calculator, but before I do, I'm going to do an estimate so I can tell if I'm close. 2 times minus 340, or 390, that's about minus 400. That's about minus 800, right? 2 times minus 400, and that is about minus 300. So 4 times 300 is minus 1200. How do you spell 12? Whoops. 200. Okay? Now, both of these I estimated up. Both of these I rounded up. This would be minus 2000, but I'm going to change it to minus 1900 because I rounded up. All right? And the other one is minus 239.2. That's about 250, minus 250. And 2 times 250 is 500. So that's going to be minus 500. That's going to be a minus 500. I rounded that one up too. Let's go down a little bit. 480. Right? Which is going to be minus 1900 plus 480, which is going to equal to, oh, I don't know. What is that? Ooh, looks like my thing did that for me. Did you see that? Did you see that? I could have hit solve. Minus 1900. I don't know. What's that going to... I can't do that in my head. It's going to be about minus 1400. That's about right. Now, if I get it... If the number I do with my calculator is way different than that, then I'm going to recalculate. No big deal. Right? But I love doing it twice so that I can just have that extra confidence. Okay, so I'm going to... do I have parentheses here? I don't, do I? Come on, tell me I got parentheses here. Are there no parentheses in here? All right. Well, let's do it. 2 times, and then carbon dioxide was minus 393. 0.5. I'm going to make that a 2 right here, a minus 2. 0.5, right? Let's just go back over there and check that. It was, wasn't it? Minus 393.5, it was. Okay, so let's go back over here. And it's going to be, it was also negative, right? Negative 4 times 285.8, I think. Let's go check it. 0.8 minus 285.8, yeah, okay. And then it's going to be plus because the carbon dioxide was negative. So it's going to be plus, or rather, not carbon dioxide, methanol, CH3OH. 2 times, and what was methanol? I don't remember. Come on. Methanol was 239.2. 239.2. Okay, now just to be clear, I had a couple minuses in there, and those two minuses went together to make that plus 2 times 239.2. So I'm hoping this comes out to be like minus 1400 something. And it does. Wow, minus 1451.8. And that's really close to what I estimated. So I like it. I'm going to put it in there, minus 1451.8. Oh, but it says to the nearest kilojoule. So it's going to be minus 1452. And we're going to do that because it's sig figs. And we're going to check it. I feel good about that. All right, so I hope that's helpful. I could happily do another one. It's a really cumbersome problem. Lots of steps in it. I don't want to walk you back through each of those steps now. Let me know if you want more on that. Good luck to you.